Hello, everyone. I'm Jeff Girardi, CEO of ProEst, and welcome to Tech Talk. This month, we're talking about estimate hours. How do we compute and view how many hours it is taking us to put together any individual estimate? Right? How many estimates can we do in a month based off of the staff size we have? So you'll see here, I'm on the estimate center, and the estimate hours is a column where it's automatically tracking how many hours all estimators spend within a particular estimate. So I'm just going to click on awarded here so I can see of my awarded projects, how many hours has it taken to put these estimates together. I could even group this. Like if I group this by estimate type, I quickly see I've got about 91 hours within office type projects, 4 hours within healthcare, about 34 or so hours within apartments. Okay, so this estimate hours column is brand new to ProEst and it is automatically being calculated as you enter and exit any given estimate. Okay, to add this column to the screen, just open this in a new tab, the company setup. I'm going to come over to layout. On the estimate center, you'll see the left tab here. Just going to come down and see where it says estimate hours right here. I have that checked. Okay, so that's going to add it to your screen so that moving forward, you're going to have that visibility and automatically see exactly how many hours it was taken to perform and put together any particular estimate. So now it's easier to plan, it's easier to figure out how many people you need for a particular estimate based off of your historical data. Okay, there's also a couple of reports I want to share, new reports that are going to report this information. So again, I'm going to open reports in a new tab, come down to the estimate center, and there's two reports here. The first one is just straight hours, and I'm going to put in a date range. I'll just put a year to date. And I quickly see all the estimates that are within our system, code, the description, what's the status of it, has it been awarded, has it been lost, and how many hours were utilized putting the estimate together. So this is a standard report within the system now, and we also have it per user. So again, I can come up here, if you wanted to, like on a quarterly basis, see how many hours each estimator is utilizing putting estimates together, I can quickly group this per user as well. So in this case, Josh Flowers has how many hours. You can see I'm the workhorse here and I'm doing most of the work. And then Jacob Simon down the bottom has a number of estimates that he's working on as well. So not only being able to track how many hours are utilized to perform each estimate, to put each estimate together, but also being able to report that data, right? So we could tie in and take a look at what is our workflow, how much bandwidth do we have to put together estimates, when's it time to add a new estimator or a new PM to our staff to help with this type of task of putting estimates together. So that's it for this month. I do appreciate all of your business. Hopefully this new functionality is useful for you. Again, trying to give you some visibility into how could you increase your performance? How can you, gain more visibility into what do you need to do in terms of hiring new staff down the road? Thank you very much. See you next month on Tech Talk.